Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete all the old update files like the update Windows files that take up your PC storage. So to find those update files, you just need to go to this PC, go to the C drive where you installed your Windows, then go to Windows folder. Then you need to find a folder called software distribution. Here as you can see, click on this and go to the download. And now you just need to select all of the folder here. These are just old update files. You don't need it anymore. And click delete. It will start to delete all the older update files. As you can see, it taking much more space in my PC. Now, after deleting all the files from the download folder, you need to go to the recycle bin and select all these files and delete it from the recycle bin. So it will free up your space from C folder. Just click yes. Delete all the files from here, and after deleting that, that's how you delete the old update files or the update files that you don't need on Windows 11. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.